Bitcoin hit my target of 93K. Can it go now to 95K, or will we be dropping back into the 80Ks? Let's find out. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 4:55 p.m. Eastern time, and the price of Bitcoin is currently at 90,996. Starting off here with the weekly chart, we see that this closes in about 2 days and 3 hours. Right now we're having a good green candle coming back off the 100 moving average. We're trying to see if we could stay above this 80 moving average at 90,176, and also see if we could break back above this 50 moving average, which is currently at $102,401. Breaking above this and closing above this is what will get us bullish again. Right now the stochastics are still dragging here a little bit. I'm not sure if this still might take another week or two before it has a chance to come back up. Now on the other time frames, we head over to the 3-day. The 3-day is looking good. It looks like we're rolling up again. We could always roll over here. It also looked like then we ended up rolling over. What's good here is that we did get back above this 200 moving average. This candle does close in about a day and 3 hours. In the 2-day chart, this candle closes in the next 2 hours, and we were heading towards the 200 moving average. Now all of a sudden we have a wick here, starting to look kind of like a topping tail. We still have room here on the stochastics. Again, we could always roll over. Let's see what's up happening. It looks a little bit bearish because this is around the top, and also this 21 moving average is about to cross downwards, and the 200 moving average is crossing upwards. That usually is bearish. Now on the 1-day chart, this also closes in the next 2 hours. I was hoping we would get above the 21 moving average by now. We're already starting to get a little bit overbought here on the stochastics RSI, and again we're starting to get a wick, meaning that we didn't have the strength to get above this 21 moving average, which is 93,831. This is starting to get a little weak. I was hoping that we could do something like this, an inverted head and shoulder, but we would have to get to at least a 50 moving average, which is at 102,883 right now, to then roll over and make the right shoulder. If we can't do this, it looks like we might get further downside. Now on the other time frames, I was telling you guys we were getting toppy. The 22-hour chart is getting a little toppy. We barely got above the 21 moving average here. 10-hour chart, it's already rolling over as well, so everything's looking a little bit weak here. 6-hour chart is rolling over. We couldn't get above this 80 moving average, and the 4-hour chart, as suspected yesterday, I was telling you guys, I don't know if we would make it to the 200 moving average. It looks like we were already getting a little weak here on the 100 moving average. We didn't really get past it, and we are rolling over here. Now what we need to do is stay above this 21 moving average, which is at 89,838, consolidate, and then get the strength to get back up and attempt to break this 200 moving average. If we start losing this 21 moving average, the last line of defense is this 50 moving average at 87,552. We lose that, we would have to probably go down and retest 80K again. On the 1-hour chart, we are low on the stochastics. It looks like we're on the way up. We lost a 21 moving average. As long as we could stay above this 200 moving average, we still have a chance here. Again, that's at 87,615. I wouldn't like us to break 90K. If we could stay above 90K, we could be in the range between 90K and 100K. Once we lose 90K, now you're opening yourself up for the new range of 80K to 90K. And on the 15-minute chart, stochastics are toppy here. We are rolling over. We do have some bullish divergence, but we did lose the 200 moving average, and it looks like we're also losing the 21 moving average at the moment. Now it took us a very long time to get back above the 21 and the 200. You can see right here we lost it. We finally got above. We were flagging out, and now we're starting to lose it. We are toppy. If we lose the 200 moving average and the 21, which we already did, it looks like we might have more downside. Maybe we could double bottom here, but this will bring us back down to about 90K or so. If we could double bottom, we have a chance. If we lose this, then I'm probably thinking we're going to go back down to at least 87K. We lose 87K, I would expect us to test under 85K. All right guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.